step into the Chrysler 2016 Town & Country Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are navigation system, Garmin, 40 GB hard drive W/28 GB available, 9 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, audio jack input for mobile devices, audio memory, CD player, DVD audio and MP3 decoder. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.